Our tendency is always to look where we've looked before, to try to improve the performance of our own particular area. And that is not the source of true potential. True potential exists in the ecosystem, in the way in which the different parts of an activity, a community, an organisation, the way in which the parts work together as a holistic system. So the opportunity is always far greater in the space between the organisation and its customer, in the space between two functions within an organisation, in the space between two organisations that are in a partnership relationship. But to actually attend to this potential, to release the creativity that is inherent within it, we have to learn to work across the boundaries of our organisations and of ourselves, because the challenges which exist in working across these boundaries manifest in how we feel about ourselves, and they are personally as well as organisationally challenging. We need to actually focus much more on the space between ourselves and other organisations than on our individual self, and that we need to learn to nurture that space. That in that space, in the space between two partner organisations, in the space between stakeholders, in the space between the organisation and the customer, that there is an enormous potential. It's rich and fertile. But as with any rich, fertile space, in order for that to actually bear fruit, to deliver insight and creative breakthrough, it must be tended and nurtured. So that the role of the 21st century leader is much more about tending the space between people and between organisations, between stakeholders and within ecosystems.